see what it looks like. Oh yes. Eat nachos, right? So you just grab a stack like this. That's good. That's what nachos supposed to be. It's good, isn't it? Really good. Okay, so this morning we just made some burritos. I had a video on how to make burritos on the Ninja Foodi. And now I'm going to show you how to make nachos using the same ingredients as the burrito, but we're just going to make it a little bit different so it'll turn out to be a nice nachos. So making the burritos, you know, it's got dual purpose. You could have it as a burrito, or I'll show you how to transform burrito into nachos. So we're going to have some Mission tortilla triangles. Olives is something that you could use if you want or not. And we're going to have green onions, sour cream. You can use guacamole too. You can add more cheese on top, but we're going to brown the cheese in. So let's get this thing started. Like any other nachos, we're going to just lay it onto our Ninja crisper pan. We're just going to have a little snack here, so we're not going to make a ton of nachos. So you want one layer down, and then we're just going to grab some of our nice burritos. It's still warm yet. I'm going to let it cool down. Put this thing on top like this. And you just want to add another layer on top. We're just going to make, you can lay as much as you want. You can have 3 stories tall, 2 stories tall. But I'm just going to have a little bit snack for me and the doggies back there. It's going to be a nice chunky burrito. I can see that. Some cheese on top. I'm just using mozzarella and provolone blend. You can use cheddar cheese, you can use the Mexican cheese. Okay, so we'll put it into our Foodi here. Drop the lid. Air fry it. Something like this. We're just gonna melt the cheese. The burrito mix is still quite warm yet, so 4 minutes should do. We'll see you back in 4 minutes. Okay, our nachos are done. Let's take this thing out. It's nice looking nachos. This plate is hot, so you're gonna have to tell your guest, if you're serving it with other people, to be careful. Garnish it with a little bit green onions. You can put anything you want on here. So like I said, you can use your guacamole. We like sour cream, so we'll just dollop of sour cream. Corners. Sour cream is probably better if it's a little bit warmer, but I think the nachos will warm it up. Put a little more there. That's what it looks like. Now basically, everybody knows how to eat nachos, right? So you just grab a stack like this. And that's good. Really good. That's our nachos. Hope you found this video informative. I gave you alternative ways of using how you could make a burrito into nachos, and so you got 2 separate meals here. So I hope you liked the video. Please click the like button. Thank you for watching, and when you have a chance, please subscribe. It's good, isn't it? That's what nachos supposed to be. Free, Eddie, come here. Now we took out green onions naturally, but here we go, a little bit of snack. Yeah, good, huh? Yeah. Get the pizza done too. Bear King coming up.